everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a variation of the Endless Falls knot. This variation is called the Oat Spike Knot. Let's get started. Our first step is to take a rope and fold it directly in half and attach it to a dowel rod using a reverse lark's head knot. So I will send it behind my dowel rod, over, so you'll notice there's a loop right in front. The other two strings go right through the loop. Before I pull this tight, I will be inserting a second rope through the loop right here horizontally. Just pull it so that it's even hanging on both sides. Then pull the rope to tighten. Tie the knot, I'm going to take the two ropes on the left and the right, and I'm going to cross the left rope over the right. When I do this, you'll notice that I formed a loop on the right side and a loop on the left. I'm going to take the rope in the middle right to curl up to go through that right loop. Then I'm going to do the same on the left side, so the left middle curls up to go through that loop. Then I'm just going to pull it tight. Is take the two ropes that are in the middle and just twist them so that they're in front of my red ropes. Then I'm just going to repeat the same steps as before. So I'm going to take the rope on the far left to cross over the rope on the far right. Then I'm going to take the middle right rope to curl up and go through that right loop. The rope on the left in the middle curls up to go through that left loop. Then I'm just going to pull it tight. Now I repeat. My middle strings are just going to curl up to go over those red outer strings. Then I take the far left to cross over the far right. We're forming those two side loops. Right middle curls up to go through the right loop, and the left middle curls up to go through the left loop. And I pull it tight. And I'm just repeating these same steps. Like that. So this is a very fun variation to the classic Endless Falls knot. What happens is you add these fun little side pieces on each knot for a fun texture. Again, as normal, this is a three-sided knot, so your side is going to look like this, and the back side is going to have this fun pattern. You guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.